Today we have Insta360 Flow Creator Kit Gimbal, which has a bigger box than the starter kit because of the carrying case that has more space, so the box is a bit larger. And same as the other one, we have already removed the shrink in order to open, so the box has been already opened once. And in order to easy opening, the magnetic lid comes from above, as you can see. Instruction for installation of the application is here, and the main device, and there is a side box opening from here. So the instruction as a cover is here, how to attach the cell phone to the gimbal. We'll come back to that soon. And there is a carrying bag which we can open from here, and inside the carrying bag we have a box of the accessories, and which comprises the clamp, which can be opened like this. The clamp attached to the cell phone. Inside the inner box we have a light. We can come back to that soon. Before that, we have a inside accessories. When we pull it out, we can take a look inside, which comprises of the connecting cables. One cable Type-C to Lightning for the iPhone, another cable Type-C to Type-C, and another cable Type-C to Type-A USB. And also we have a strap for the carrying bag. This can connect to the two sides of the bag. And we have a grip. This is very useful grip. It comes to cover the main device's handle, and it's very easy to use. We'll come back to that soon. We have also instructions, user manuals, and warranty cards. This is the warranty card, and also instruction for the warranty. The quick start guide for the gimbal, the safety guidelines, and how to attach the cable to the cell phone, and the instruction for use. And at the end we have the light, which can be opened from here. The cables here, and when you release the cable, and you just push it outward to release the light from this box. When you open the main device, you can see the handles with 3 stickers to be removed. But when you try to open, you have to keep the main handle toward yourself, rotate it this way, like this. It is still off, but when it comes to the end, it will automatically turn on. So be careful when it comes to the end. Keep the handle and release the device itself, so it will turn on. And the clamp, which has a notch here, as you can see there's a notch. This goes to the place here, like this. Be careful that it has to be completely connected. If it comes like that, like this, the magnet will not be secured, so that the cell phone will fall. So it has to be stick like this with the cell phone. I will come back to that later. To turn off, you can press the power and it will turn off. When you press again, it will come back to power on mode. We have the power button, we have the record button, and the swap button between the rear and front camera. and some other functions. And there are 4 modes indicator here that can be touched like this. We have a swap like this, vertical and horizontal by double press. And we have triple press for coming back. And it has to be with the cell phone to work. At the end, we can either press and keep the power button or turn it off by rotating the handle. And it will be locked like this. Don't forget to remove the stickers before using, and I will come back to that soon. So the main device can be opened like this. Before using, we remove the stickers here, here, here. The device is ready to use. Now we're removing the last one here for the clamp. And there's another transparent sticker here on the touch screen. So we remove that as well. The device will be ready. Before turning on, we can come to introduce the light, which can be attached to the clamp. There is a clip here. By pressing the 2 sides, it will come to attach to the clamp like this. So when we use the light, we can attach it to the output USB Type-C port here like this. Before connecting to the cell phone, I'm just going to add the grip to the handle so that use it much easier. So by this, we just adjust it to the angle and just slide it inside like this. When it comes to the end, it will be handled much easier. So now we have the light and the grip inside the handle. I'm just detaching the light for the time being, and in order to show you how the clamp can be connected to the phone, in order to attach the clamp to the phone, just make sure that you notice the indicator showing you the direction to the camera. So if the camera is like this upward, we just notice that it has to be attached this way, not the other way around. So the clamp has to be attached to exactly the center of the phone like this. When it comes to the center, it will be calibrated much easier. So once we attach the clamp to the phone, we attach it to the notch here like this, and then we rotate the main handle all the way down. It will turn on and the camera will be ready. How to attach the clamp? It has some empty spaces at the 2 sides in order to get some distance from the power button here. So if we consider the space like this and connect it, it will be some spaces here, as you can see, and the other side. So if the clamp is exactly at the center of the phone, we can easily attach it to the main device by considering the notch angle. So once it is connected, we make sure that it's completely connected and secured, and then we turn on the device. The device can be adjusted by the joystick here, as you can see, in different angles, and we can use it in any direction that we want to use it. Is Insta360, and it is already connected and paired to the device. All we have to do is to just press the camera button, let all the end connect to the phone. Now we are ready for using the gimbal. For closing the gimbal and detaching the camera, we just detach it from here. It will automatically go to standby mode. As you can see, these indicators are showing the sleep mode, and the handle can be rotated like this and locked this way. Can we come back to a home, and even we can use it with the clamp inside your pocket. So when we attach the phone into the gimbal and rotate it to the standby mode, it will come to calibrate itself and ready for filming. In addition to the USB port for charging the gimbal itself, we have another port here. As you can see, there is an output port for either charging the phone itself or connecting the light. Cell phone, like this, and connect the cable to the USB port. It's ready. Now once we turn on the gimbal, we will have the light. Thank you for watching this video.